making Kit Lab. Anna's Toys Review. Today we're going to use and review LOL Mini Sweets vending machine.
We're going to go
Hey Anna,
This one,
what is that?
an LL Mini Sweets.
Wow, do you want to open it?
Yes, I'll get Haribo Peaches and this one.
Okay, let's go and watch.
I will get Haribo Peaches.
Okay,
The
put it inside.
Peaches. It's the Haribo Peaches.
And Anna is very fast in opening. And she's using her teeth to open the LOL Mini Sweets. Oh no, she's that LOL Queen girl.
Let's see if we get Haribo Peaches.
And,
I'll get Haribo Peaches.
okay.
And then Haribo Peaches.
That's her 6th mini sweet dolls. She has almost a dozen of it. And you can buy this in Target and Walmart. And we have, what do you have, Anna? Beep, 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 beep. What do you have? Pizza? Sister! Oh, it's just that thing because you got that one already? It's okay. We can try some other. Excited na naman. And what about the accessories, Anna? What do you have? Anna got them all.
I want the back slide.
What's inside, Anna?
Dad, I want the back slide. What else?
There's another door.
Back slide. There's an
What is that?
Oh, it's a dress.
Wow, it's a beautiful dress. There you go.
Remember?
There's another one. What is that, Anna? That is shoes. All right. Beautiful shoes. And you got 6 of them, huh? Shoes, dress, and the Barbie. I know it's a Barbie. It's a Haribo. Haribo pup. What's her name? Uh-huh. Hey, Anna, be happy. Your doll? Yes. What up, Ben? Huh?
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.